Now we see program to find Fibonacci series in Python. Okay, first we need to initialize two variables, first as 0 and second as 1. Okay, first Fibonacci number as 0, second as 1. Now we need to generate Fibonacci series till some upper limit. Okay, how many terms? Enter number of terms. You need to input number of terms. Okay, now for term in range n, you know that term variable starts with the value 0 till n minus 1. Okay, those many terms. Now fib equal to first plus second. First is 0, second is 1. 0 plus 1 will be added and stored to fib. Fib will hold 1 and fib will be printed. Now second equal to first. You know that first is 0. It is stored to second variable, and then first equal to fib. Fib was 1. It is stored to first. Now both second and first, second holding 0 and first holding 1. Okay, loop will continue. It goes inside the loop. Fib equal to once again 0 plus 1 becomes 1 and fib will be printed as 1. Now once again second equal to first. Okay, now first is 1. It is assigned to second, and you know that fib also 1. It is assigned to first. Both 1 1. Okay, first plus 1, first plus second, 1 plus 1 will be added and stored to fib, and fib will be 2. Okay, and print fib will gives output 2. Done. Second equal to first. Now first equal to previous first value, that is 1. Okay, and first equals to fib. Fib is 2. 2 is stored to first. Now 1 plus 2 will be 3. Okay, this 2 will be added and 3. Like that, previous 2 number will be preserved and it is added to fib. Okay, thus it generates the Fibonacci series of different 10 terms. Okay, totally 10 terms will be generated with the for loop. Okay, you can see that there are 10 terms in the output. 1 plus 1 2, 2 plus 1 3, 3 plus 2 5, 5 plus 3 8, 8 plus 5 13. This way there are 10 terms which is generated using this small program, which is very easy. Now we see an example program in Python to generate series of different sequence. For example, if you want to generate series in this way: 1 4 7 10 till n. You can use different loops. For example, you know that there are while and for loop in Python. If you want to generate using while loop, usage of while loops, you can first initialize the variable n to value 1. Now inside while loop, okay, while, take the condition as n less than an upper limit. Okay, for example 100. If you want to generate till 100 colon, okay, print value of n inside the loop, and then n need to be incremented, n need to be modified. See the series, the difference between each term is 3. Therefore You have to add n equal to n plus 3. You have to add 3 to n and continue the loop. Repeat the loop. At the end of all iteration, display end. Okay. Now if you run this, okay, you can see the series till 10. Okay, till 10. Sorry, till 100. Till 100 you can see the series. If you want to do the same thing by using for loop, okay, now you have to take a looping variable for n in range. You have to start from 1 till 100. Okay, and then steps. Okay, you have to mention step as 3. Step in terms of 3. Okay, increase by 3. Now you display n value. Okay, now you run. You can get the same series by using only one statement inside the for loop. Okay, for n in range 1 is a starting range, 100 is the ending range, and then 3 is the incrementing value. Okay, incrementing value. This way you can use either while loop or for loop for generating the different series. Same thing if you want to do in reverse order. For example, if you want to generate from 100 and 97 till 0. Okay, 97 minus 94 till 0. You have to make n equal to 100 and n should be greater than till n greater than 0. Print n and n should be decremented by 3. N should be decremented by 3. This is n equal to n minus 3. You can see 197 in the decreasing order. Okay, same thing you can do by using for loop. Here starting value is 100, ending value is till 1 or 0, and step is minus 3. If you run, you can see here same series till 1. Okay, it's 100 to 1. Okay, this way you can use while loop and for loop.